Good morning, students. Let us start the second topic in the class 10th NCERT Mathematics first chapter, real numbers. The topic is actually fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So before going to learn the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it is going to have the two definitions. Mainly you need to know that is prime numbers and composite numbers. What is meant by prime number and a composite number? Prime number means the numbers which have only two factors, one and itself, are called prime numbers. Just like at number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What is meant by factors? Means the numbers which can divide the given numbers. The numbers which can divide the given numbers. Suppose if you are taking the 9, 1 is can divide the 9, 3 can divide the 9, and 9 can divide the 9. So 9 is having the 3 factors. So that's why it is not a prime number. So next thing is composite numbers. The numbers which have the more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. All the even numbers are all composite numbers. Along with that, some odd numbers. Some odd numbers which are having more than 2 factors are also composite numbers. And the main thing here, you can observe that the important point I have given to you here, that here the thing is that here if you are seeing that 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is not a prime number, it is not a composite number, because 1 is having the only 1 as a factor. So it is not having the 2 factors, it is not having the 3 factors. So that's why it is neither prime nor composite. So now let us go for the actual topic, that is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic says that every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. That means, suppose if you are taking the number 12, let us take as an example here. So the number 12, this 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. So this is unique apart from the order. That means you can write it as a 2 into 3 into 2. This is also right. And if you are taking like this, so you can write in any way. So you generally here, this is called as a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So you see here very clearly every only composite number, because prime number cannot be expressed as a product because it is having only 1 and itself as a factors. So now the main thing is that this fundamental theorem of arithmetic is useful to us to find out the HCF of the two numbers, and LCM of the two numbers also. To find out the HCF, you need to express the given number as a product of primes and product of smallest powers of the each common prime factor in the given numbers. How many numbers are given doesn't matter here. If the numbers, whatever maybe the numbers are given to you, that all the numbers should be taken into consider common prime factors. So suppose if you are going for the exercise problems, then easily you can understand. First you note down here LCM of the two numbers, product of greatest powers of the each factor involved in the numbers. So that is here smallest common prime factors should be taken, and here greatest each prime number should be taken into consider. The main thing, another thing is that here HCF of two numbers and LCM of the two numbers if you are taking and finding their product, that product will be equals to the product of the given two numbers. A and B are taken as some numbers here. So based on that you can easily understand here. So this is the basic concept which is required for us to find out the HCF and LCM using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay.